Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time, so let's get directly to the point. Today we are going to learn how you can make a walking system uh, using which you can create your own noise, which will just select random noise for walking. Suppose, as you can see here, just let me turn on the audio. If I just play, it will start playing some walking noise in each step, and these sounds are randomly chosen using the script which I am going to show you. So without wasting any much time, let's get started and let's see what's in this script here. So at the very first we have our model here, which was downloaded from Mixamo, and I've already discussed how you can download models from Mixamo in previous videos. So you can get the model here. It just consists of the walking animation here, walking, and I have just went to rig, generate humanoid, and created from this model avatar, and then I went to animation, ticked all the green ones, and changed from body orientation to original, and then I just clicked apply. Okay, so after doing this you just need to go down into the event section. In this event section you will find this tab here. Okay, so you want the sound to be played on every steps it takes, or every time the foot hits the ground. So we are going to fast forward in the animation here. See, at this position here, wait, let me increase the size here for you. See, at this position it just suddenly hit the ground. So at this position we want the sound to be played. So we will go to the event section and press this icon here. It will just add an event listener here. Okay, and go to the another one, and then do the same for that as I have done right here. And now after doing this we need to go to the script here, which I have already created. You just do right click, create, and a new C# script, and then just open it. And inside that you need to make two public variables. One is the list of audio clips which are going to be played, which we are going to randomly choose using the random function here, and the another will be the audio source, which is going to produce the audio from the clips provided here. Okay, so two public variables, public list audio clip, and I named it walk sounds, and another is public audio source and its audio source named. And we also need a variable for storing the index of the list, so that's why I've created a public int pose. So after doing this we need to create a new method here. I named it public void play sound here, and play sound is the name of the method. And after that we are initializing the position value with a random value which ranges from 0 to the size of the list of walk sounds. So that's why from 0 to walk sounds dot count, it's going to give us the length of the list, and from that we are just selecting the random value between these two ranges from 0 to walk sounds dot count, and we are flooring the value, which means if it comes like 22 point something in a float, so it will choose 22, just previous integer value, and we are typecasting it to integer, and we are storing it in the variable named pose which we created here. And then after that we are just doing audio source dot play one shot, which is going to play the audio, and we are giving the audio clip with the index value of position. So this every time this function is called, it will create a new random index between the range of 0 and walk sounds dot count, and it's going to feed that audio clip by getting it from the index of the list and feed it to the audio source, which will just play the sound for us. So this is the script here. So after writing the script you need to go to the player here, and then you will find a tab here. I've already done it here actually. So you will find this thing here. You will just go to walk sounds and just get your audio files of footsteps. So I have my audio files of footsteps here. See, these are the footsteps. So just go and drag and drop them into the list here. You will just, suppose I want to select this much. Wait a sec. Suppose I want this to here. I will just go drag and drop it here, and it will automatically store the values. Suppose I drag and drop it here. So it will automatically accumulate all the sounds provided without you going individually doing it. And then you need to add a audio source component here. Audio source component, and drag and drop that audio source from here to this thing here. Okay, and then After that you need to just go and click play, and it will, at each step it will just play that sound here, as you can see here. So that's all for the video. It's a really short here, and I hope it helped you understand how you can create and use the event function in the animation tab of Unity animation system. And if you have any suggestion for any videos you would like or me to explain, please comment it down in the comment section. And thanks for all the support. And that's all. Have a great day. Bye.